Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to our your ML Students YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about LLAMA 3.2. As you know, LLAMA model was introduced by Meta or Facebook, whatever you say. And after that, they were continuously updating their models, improving their models, and day by day, they brought 3.1 last time, right? Now we have 3.2, and you can see it's clearly written, it's open source AI model. You can fine tune, distill, and deploy anywhere. It is now available in more versions. So it's an open source model, so you can use in your own use case, be it a fine tuning that model, or else you want to use that pre-trained model to do some specific tasks, such as building a chatbot that is expert in answering questions, maybe summarization kind of a work, or maybe some demographic kind of answers you are expecting from this llama model, that you can easily get it. So they have released 1 billion, 3 billion, 11 billion, or 90 billion parameters models, and obviously they are continuing building that llama 3.1 actually. And if we see, you can see it's a lightweight model actually. This 1 billion and 3 billion are these are lightweight and most efficient model that you can run everywhere in your mobile or edge devices. And this is the multi-model, that is 11 billion and 90 billion. That is a multi-model model that is flexible while working on vision based tasks, that you come to vision where you can put your images and you can get your answers. And let's see some demo like how they have done these steps. So if you see, there are two things actually. They have kept do more with llama 3.2. It's for first of all, that is one device. So on your device, right, on your device you can use that light weighted models, that is your 1 billion or 3 billion models, that you can see, right. I think if I start from here, right, you can easily see that how they are using that one device model. So you can see, you can copy, and then automatically you can go back there and you can paste it, right. Now the data never be leaving their side. So if you see now how the output will be coming up, so you can see, right, based on the question, right, it's able to summarizes whatever things you have published there. So this is how you can use that. These are like example of a uh, one device llama. After that, there's a multi models where you can upload your image, right. You can see they are showing up. You can upload your image, and based on that you can ask it to do any changes or analysis on top of it. So this is what you have given the description, and you are changing few of the text from it so that it can give you the answer accordingly. So when they are clicking fireplace, so they are replacing with the fireplace. Now when they are doing that, and I think they are changing few of the things here. So look up options. Now you can see, right, they easily it is able to capture the content, right. Okay. Now another thing is llama stack, that is agentic application from compression toolchain. You can easily use this llama stack to run that llama model in your local system. So they are passing the code how you can use that code to do this job, right. Now there is a good blog actually published by this Hugging Face that I would like to refer here. So they have published that about this llama 3.2, and they have again collaborated with Hugging Face and Meta, right. So you can see they have mentioned about some content, that is what is llama 3.2 vision and all, right. So you can see like llama 3.2 vision specific. If I specifically talk about llama 3.2 vision, that can be process text and image as well, only text. So with image text prompting, the model can change English, take English inputs, while for text only prompting, the model can handle multiple languages. So it can handle English, German, French, Italian, Portuguese, Hindi, Spanish, and Thai. So this language, this can support this llama 3.2 vision model. And after that, if you see, I think few of things they have mentioned. Yeah, if you see here, right, so they have this kind of a things that they have already tested on vision models. You can see on 11 billion it got almost 41.7, and for 11 billion that instructor tuned, that is on your COT, it's got almost 50.7. That's really good, right. And you can see the metrics they have used, that is micro average accuracy, ANLS, and accuracy and all, right. So, and what is the specialty about this llama 3.2 1 billion and 3 billion is that, so this llama collection include 1 billion 3 billion text models, and this model are designed on device use cases such as prompt rewriting, multilingual knowledge retrieval, summarizing tasks, tool usage, and locally running as assistants, right. As you have seen, right, here I have shown already, these guys are showing here one device how these guys are doing these things, and it automatically summarizes the answer here. So for this such kind of a use case, they have kept this 1 billion and 4 billion one. Okay, now if we come for a simple demo, right, that how we can use it. So let's go to this Hugging Face page first. If we come here, and if we go to I think if we go here called demo, click on this demo, right? And if you click on this demo, then if you go to this maybe this Gradio based with LLAMA 3.2 11 billion instruct, if you go there, it automatically loading it up for you. Yeah. So now let's ask some questions here. Did it come now? Okay. So let me upload some images. Let me download some images from the internet, that cow eating, maybe uh, uh, cow is eating grass. Yeah, let's now search this image, right? So let's now download this image. Save image as my downloads. Let's click this download, right? Now after that, when we are going to upload this image, then let's go to download. Let's upload this image. Let's ask some question from it. Let's upload this image. Yeah, see, you can see when we uploaded this image, right, is able to answer that the image depicts actually let it upload. I think it will take some time to generate it, then we can see the complete answer. Okay, so if you come here, right, you can see this image depicts scene of a herd of cows grazing in a lush green field with the sun shining brightly in the background. The purpose of the image is to showcase the beauty of the nature and the tranquility of the farmer life. So then it has explained that cow are brown and white, a herd of cows grazing in the field. Then it has explained many things, right? So you can see how cool the multi-model is. You can easily upload any image and you can get information from it. Let me ask some questions from it. How many cows? How many cows uh, are there in the image? The sorry, I think how many cows there in the image? If we give it, right, how many cows in the image? And I think yes. So you can see like there are 6 cows in the image. Let's see. I think it's not 6 cows, only 2 cows, but it's saying it's 6 cows. Or maybe that kind of a glitch will happen because it's open source model. But yeah, it's saying how many cows are there. That's these 6 cows are there. But I can see only 2 cows. Let me help him to clarify his answer. 2 cows. Uh, okay. Okay, so it's agreeing that he was wrong. So I can see that you are correct. There are 2 cows in the image. I must have miscounted earlier. Thank you for pointing out there. 2 cows are grazing peaceful in the field, enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. Let me ask: are there any crow in that image? Let me ask it. No, there is no crows in the image. The only enemies are visible are the cows. So, okay. So I guess this is a very simple demo that you can see, right? How multimodal can easily help you to do such cool stuffs, right? So now let's see how by coding how we can maybe how we can use this in our Google Colab. So first, what you need to do, you need to log in into your Hugging Face. So if I go again into Hugging Face separately, Hugging Face. If you go into Hugging Face, then what you need to do, you need to log in first. So you need to log in first. Once you log in, right? Once you log in, let me log in right now. Maybe let me try. Uh, and after that, I need to put my password. Okay, so this is there, right? So what you need to do, you need to click here. Click this part. Click here. Then go to settings part. Once you're in the settings part, then go to access tokens. After going to access tokens, you need to create a token here. That already token is created for me. So in your case, you have to create a token. So create a new token. Then give any name here and give all the necessary access that you wanted to give it. Check it, like click on it, it will be checked or unchecked. Like all this you have to pass, and after that you need to click create token. So your token will automatically get generated, and in my case that's already there. Okay, so let's go back to here. Let's see. Let's first. This is the token that I right now showing you the token, but after this video, I'm gonna remove it. So anyway, so you have to make sure your GPU is connected. Okay. So now once I run this one, right? So you can see my Hugging Face token is set in my collab user data. So now let's run this 3.23 billion instruct. So for that, and I kept a question that is, please tell me about a generative AI. So let's see how it replies to me. Okay, and it is installing this transformer greater than equal to 4.45 version. Let's run this code now. So we are running this code now. It's installing steps. Let's see. I think I am getting a error that is not is must access or but I have the access. Let me check why it is showing like that. Llama uh, Llama 3.2, and this access is there with me, but why it is showing like that, I have to check once. So let me change my, maybe due to some issues it's not allowing me. So let me change my access token. Let me just invalidate and let me just okay. So I'm again changing the token, and after changing the token I am updating in my code now that this is the change token. Let me run it again, and after that let's run this command. Let's see. Okay, yeah, now it's loading, you can see, right? So some issue were there, that's why it was not doing this. So let's see, let it load this model in my system, then we'll see. It's loading right now. So it has been loaded that model already. So two checkpoints were downloaded now, so let it load. It may take some time for you to get this thing done, and after that I will tell you how you can get the access of this llama or meta llama models. That also I'm gonna show you. Okay, let it run. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, I guess it's ran successfully. So let me show you this one first. So you can see the answer came, right. Answers came. Like generative AI models use a range of techniques including machine learning, neural network, and deep learning to generate new content that is similar in style and structure to the data that they were trained on. Some common application of generative AI: text generation, image generation, music generation, video generation. And then it has explained this, I think, type of generative, that is RNNs. RNNs are type of well suited. I think it was trying to do, but after some, I think due to some RAM issue or something, it stopped predicting the answer. But yeah, you can see it's able to generate answer, right? So now let's see how you can ask for the access. See, you can ask from the Hugging Face also. This is one way to ask from the Hugging Face. Apart from that, you can go to Llama 3.2, scroll up, download models. Then you want to request the llama model, you need to put your name, just I am putting my name, and you can put your last name, date of birth, and job title, everything. Then you can do, and you can go next. If you do that, let's say let me putting my name here, maybe any name. Let's keep it any date of birth, and let's keep my email ID. Um, and after that, let's say keep the country is India, because I'm from India. So India, India, and then maybe let's keep it as the ABC. I don't want to discuss about my organization. And let's say I'm an AI engineer, so I'm keeping myself as a AI engineer. And I'm selecting maybe this model. You select this model, and then click on next. You have to agree, you have to read it, or if you don't want to read it, ignore it. Just accept these terms and conditions, then accept and continue. So it's running, right? So you can see, right? So request numbers the model distributor now available in a commercial license holder, but only you agreeing to this. So they have shown that how you can download the model, then how can you get the model list, how can you select the model, and how can you specify the custom URL for your model also. You can see they will remain valid 48 hours to download each model up to 5 times. You can see, right? So they are showing that also. Please zip copies of the unique custom URLs provided above. They will remain valid 48 hours to download each model up to 5 times. So they are allowing you to download the model only 5 times, right? And now if I show you the answer, maybe uh, maybe maybe let me do it for you. Let me just try it out because I never tried this one. So let me I think my Colab is already opened, right? So let's try on Google Colab itself. um, let's run the code that they have mentioned, that is this running this code llama stack. It's gonna install the llama stack for us. After that we'll be able to see the llama model list also, so that it install it first. Okay, so it's installed successfully. Let's see llama model list. So it's not allowing llama model list, I think. If you run this way, it should be showing, yeah. So if you're running this way, it's gonna show you the llama. See, it is showing all the llama model list. Llama 3.1, llama god, llama 3.2, all of them. Okay. So after that, you go here. You show all. If you want to show all the older models before 3.1. Oh, but let's ignore it. We don't need it. So let's now select which model I want to download. Let's click on this one, and now let's go back here. Come here and do Control V. Now which model I want to download? So I want to download the model, maybe let's but download the lowest one because I collapse, so it might break doing while doing in between. So let me use this one, and that is the I'm keeping as a model ID. And let's run this code. Let's see how it is. Okay. So it's gonna say please provide the signed URL you received via mail. Example this. Okay, so I need to pass the signed URL. How? Where do I get that URL? See, this is a URL, right? They said when the script asks for a unique URL, please paste this URL below. So this is the URL they were talking about, and this is what you are getting from here. So let me pass it here and press enter. So see, right? It's now downloading the model for me. If you see, okay, you can see the model is downloading for me. Now we can use this model and do our prediction, and you can see the 1 billion model size is 2357 MB, so it's a very huge model. But yeah, you can use this is how you can download the llama model in your system from the meta site directly, or you can use Hugging Face to do the same thing without loading the model directly in your system. So these are the ways I wanted to show you guys. So I think I have nothing to show more about it. If you want to download any other model, just replace this name with this name. It will automatically help you to get the output value, right? So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.